For the final trade of the day, we are sending it over to Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Nice to have you back on the trading floor, Alan.
Hello, Angie, and welcome back for me. I'm feeling fat and happy, and as is the market. Another positive week, a big rally run that we've seen after we broke above 4,400 in the S&P. Now we're poised to get a pop to that range top, and we're very close to that 4,600 level.
Good sign.
All right, that's the start of something good. So a move above 4,600 targets S&P 5,000 that I've talked about numerous times. But we want to be a little bit cautious because we've had such a big pop here recently. There may be a pause, some profit taking here in the near term, but that's why we trade long-term options to be there in the big picture.
What stock are you watching today?
All right, what I'm paying attention to today is China. It's about risk reward. Now, if you look at the China ETF FXI, it tracks the large cap stocks in China here. It's down 50% from its 2021 top. It has a PE of 10, so it is undervalued. Now that particular ETF and China itself has been down, so it's minus 7% in 2023 versus the S&P plus 18% in that same time frame.
What do you see happening in FXI, and what would be a price target of where you want to see this ETF go?
All right, so what I'm seeing here is some bullish divergence low in the end of October. We made new lows, but not new highs in implied volatility. That's a very positive sign for a sentiment shift. And also I'm seeing leverage long buying, some money flow accumulation on the bullish side for this. So the way to play here is I'm looking at a June option. Now, the ETF's been between 20 and 30 for over a year, so it's popped above that 25 midpoint, just as the S&P had done above 4,400. Now I'm looking for a pop to the range top of 30. Now in the big picture, the ETFs trade between 20 and 60 here for the last 15 years, so 40 is also the midpoint target to keep an eye on.
What option are you buying?
The June option, the June 24 call. The low on this in last year is 24.85, so the strike price is below that low, trading for about 3.25, 3.50. It's $2.50 in the money. It's like being long from 24. You've got 7 months of time at a 70 delta. And a modest move just to that range top at 30, that option will gain nearly 100%.
Thank you very much, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.